Hey guys, this is the second part of the package that I've already posted. Came in separately because this item here was out of stock. Let's get right into it. It says audio accessories for $1.29. It doesn't want to focus, that's alright. Obviously from Hong Kong, and this is from DealExtreme. So, shows all. I got my trusty Mastercraft half serrated knife. Or letter opener nowadays. See how good this one looks like. Here it is. Just one item. Nothing else in there. It's for the Nokia phone to use down there. I'm hoping it fits. If not, it's just $1 something. This one can be used to listen to the radio that this guy has. So nope, by the looks of it, it's a lot different. You can see there's little pins there. I don't know. There, you can see those pins. And this guy is just straight like that. There's not really a way to force it into there anyways. So by the looks of it, this thing is a dud. So $1.50 wasted. That's fine. At least the whole package is complete. I can confirm it with DealExtreme now. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a nice day.